Hey guys, and welcome back to Star Stable. We're here with Guardian Rainbow, and we are going to continue with the quest for the circus. And Z isn't here, so she's probably up there. She kind of wandered in the night a bit. Okay. It occurs to me that our circus will be a ball. But it is a bit off the beaten tracks. What kind of host would I be if I did not make life easy for our guests? One time on this earth is so limited. We should make it easier to have a ball. That's it. A pumpkin. Pumpkins are so cute. Emma, you must fetch us a pumpkin. But where to find one? What's this? Unless my nose deceives me, the smell of nutmeg and allspice is wafting up from Moorland stables. Could it be someone is baking a pumpkin pie? Fate truly smiles on us, little flea. Follow the scent and find our mystery pie maker. Perhaps they can part with a pumpkin. Okay, let's go. Let's go, Guardian Rainbow. So these. Oh, I didn't even see that. Okay. Oh, do we have to? No. Do we have to run through it? Or do we have to collect it? Can we just run through it? Do we literally have to collect it? Did it just disappear? Okay, so we have to run through it. Okay! Oh my god, I can see the bridge to Fort Pinto from here. Can we also collect it? Oh yeah, we can. Okay, this is gonna get really annoying. Okay. Can't we just go to your big stables instead of doing all this? Okay, so let's see if we can do it just by clicking. We probably can. Okay, or we just have to walk through perfectly. That works too. But I want to do it one just by clicking. Is there one down here? There's supposed to be one right down here somewhere. Do you guys see one? Here maybe? There it is. So what if we just... I wonder if you're too short if you're not on a horse. That'd be so funny. What the heck? Oh my god, this is gonna annoy me a lot. Okay, wait, wrong way. Wrong way. Sorry, boy. Sorry, big guy. We're just running all the way around Moorland stables. It's gonna get really annoying. What if we just not run through them? That'd be way easier. Here's one. There's one. There is one. Here, there's one. Is it Mrs. Holdsworth? Yes, it's Mrs. Holdsworth. Yay! Really? You're kidding me, right? Okay. Finding a pumpkin is easy as a pie. Why, yes, I am baking. Why, yes, I am baking pumpkin pie. Why do you ask? You need a pumpkin? After baking my pies, I had exactly one pumpkin left over. I don't believe in coincidences. Fate meant for you to have this pumpkin, dear. Take it. No explanation necessary. Thank you. I don't get why we don't get any reputation. Well, it's probably harder because, like, who would you give the reputation to? Because he's not a keeper of Aideen. And unless they want to start like a whole quest line or make it part of the quest line, they'd have to, like if they want to make it part of the quest line, they could write reputation with Yardus and the circus or something like that. Whee! Sorry, Guardian Rainbow. I'm a bit all over the place today. Sorry, boy. On horses, on Star Stable horses, I've actually I'm so sorry, boy. I've just gotten a halflinger and a Mustang, but in white with pink nose. It's really cute. And basically I raised them, but I'm keeping, for the next 2 weeks, I'm keeping my star coins so that I can get a terrier, because I really want to get one of those cute terriers. And I was thinking on the, I actually really wanted to get the white terrier, because I think it'd be perfect for Guardian Rainbow. But we also need a bit of tack for him, or generally for all of our horses. But like, yeah, because this just looks kind of weird. It looks really cool, because I like him being like the Western horse. I like that idea. Like, I like that idea. Like, duh. Did you find the pie maker? Of course you did. And you found our pumpkin? I'm a very lucky fellow. Fortune always smiles on my friends. Now, what are the magic words for transforming a pumpkin? Salagdula? Kalamzu? Let's just go with the classic abracadabra. I love how we all this. We're not even watching. We're like, yeah, no. Oh, a horse trailer. It's cool. Why are we all the way back here? Why are we all the way back here? Why? Hello Pizza is really pretty. Cute. I think only white and gray Lipizzanos exist, to be honest, but you'd have to check that, but I believe that. Like, I believe that only gray or white dapples exist, or white horses. I mean Lipizzaners, but there might be brown or black ones, I doubt it, but like, you never know. You should go check it out. Our Circus of Dreams is coming together quite nicely, wouldn't you agree? More fun and games will follow, but for now I invite you to enter the big top as much as you wish. Ride, rehearse, prepare for the main event. My shining star. When my friends arrive, I want you in the ring, where you belong. Oh, we're part of the show. That's awesome. My faithful fool Xing has gotten it into his head that he would like to put on a race. He read a book about rodeo clowns and selected a course from the Western tradition. The butterfly pole, configuration used in gymkhanas. Butterfly. What a fitting metaphor for my circus, where dreams transform into reality. Would you care to give Xing a race a go? Okay. Oh my god. What's this? What are we doing? What's this? Oh! Whoa! 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 What the hell? Oh my god. Where are we going? I am so lost. Oh, we didn't have to jump? Okay, sorry about that. The circus is really pretty though. Do we have to like jump? Jump. Jump. Right now. Okay. Sorry about this, Guardian Rainbow, but I am so lost. Okay. Oh, no! Okay. We got this. What does this pull button do? Oh my god, there's a ring of fire. That is not very reassuring. Okay, we're going to have to check out what that thing is afterward. Okay, now we know that we have to go here, then here. Oh, so it's like pole bending. Aha! Okay. Now it's making more sense. Sorry about this, boy. I had no clue. I'm sorry, big guy. Okay, that was interesting. What the heck? Should we jump through the ring? Oh, the ring of fire left. See, what is this? This is very, very weird. What is this? Anyway. Okay, this is getting really annoying. Oh! That's okay. Well, now, and then... Oh, okay, that's okay, though. This is really cool. Okay. Sorry, big guy. Okay. So that was interesting. I did not see that one coming. Did you, big guy? He's kind of like, yeah, no. I don't think anyone did, to be honest. Magnifique! A veritable ballet on 4 legs. With you at the reins, Guardian Rainbow is as graceful as a butterfly. Okay, that was definitely not graceful. I hope you will come back and race with us again. Oh, that's that? That's the quest? But what about the Ring of Fire? But what's with the Ring of Fire? But I really wanted to see the Ring of Fire. Well, at least now we have another race to train our horses. That's good. Is the Ring of Fire gonna come? Oh, I really wanted to see that Ring of Fire. Sorry about that, boy. See, what are these dot things? What the? What the? Whoa! Oh! They open rings of fire. That is so cool. Okay, we are so... Okay, why am I stuck? Okay. We are so trying that out. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go jump this. We got this, boy. And it disappeared. Do we have to activate them like all in a go or something? Okay, this is getting really weird. Okay, what if... Okay. What's with the one in the middle? Oh, there's one there. No! Why do they keep leaving? Okay, what about the... Oh, she opened one. Oh, come on. I really want to open a Ring of Fire before this. So sorry about this, guys. Okay, did any open? Anywhere? No? Okay. Let's try... Oh! Yes, we did it! Okay, technically it wasn't our hoop, but you know, we went through the Ring of Fire, so we don't care. There's one. Run! Totally gonna photobomb it for her. Wait! Oh my god, come on! Why is there someone's hat there? It's kind of... Oh, another one. Another one. Yeah! We're just gonna jump. Oh my god! Oh my god! That scared me so much! That literally gave me like a heart attack. Oh my god. Whew. Well, we're gonna leave it at that for today. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye!